Hey everyone. If you're looking for fresh business ideas or ways to brainstorm new ventures, today I'll show you how to use Grok AI step by step to generate smart ideas quickly. First, go to the Grok AI website and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. You'll need an account to start generating business ideas. Next, pick a business category or niche you want ideas for, like e-commerce, tech, or local services. Narrowing down the focus helps Grok AI give more relevant suggestions. Now type a clear prompt describing the type of business ideas you want. For example, you can ask for low investment startup ideas or products trending in your industry. Once you submit your prompt, Grok AI will generate a list of ideas. Go through them carefully and see which ones fit your goals or interests. You can ask follow-up questions to explore each idea further, like potential challenges, target market, or startup costs. This helps you evaluate and refine the ideas. When you find ideas you like, save them or export them to your notes. You can create a plan or list to start working on them immediately. Remember, Grok AI is here to help brainstorm, but it's important to validate ideas with real research before investing. Combine AI suggestions with your own insights for best results. And that's it. Using Grok AI for business ideas is simple once you know the steps. Hope this helps you brainstorm faster and, yeah, good luck launching your next venture.